Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Trader. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel and video I'm going to discuss about my positional strategy, the advanced option strategy, which we are using for a stock option, monthly positional, and we are planning for a May month contract. So our monthly monthly positional sheet that would be updated by tomorrow because tomorrow market holiday. So we will be getting the data and strike price selection, stock selection, everything will be updated on our monthly IV sheet. This is what in April. So where we find out an opportunity. And these are all the stocks which I am looking for the top stocks and for the month of April. So from that list, we find a lot of opportunities in SAIL, Voltas, Titan, Maruti, and Tata Steel and GMR Infra also. That was working. Even TCS was giving you such a good result. So based on our advanced option strategy concept, so we are planning to find out some opportunities, 3 to 4 stocks in a monthly basis. We are not discussing for weekly or intraday. So overall in a month, how we can successful trade with an edging basis and without an indicator and charts. So how to filter out the stocks and once we finding out the stocks and we are finding a trend based on the prices and lot of opportunity which we are finding last month. So and based on our positional Google sheet also. So that is what a scanner for stock option and here whatever the data which shown here, it is not an exact one because already the April contract is expired. The price which shown here is for a May contract and the strike price selection and entry price is on based on the April. So because of that after expiry we have some days that day we are not updating the monthly sheet but intraday sheet and the weekly sheet is updating. So based on the concept and intraday it works based on the R4 and this monthly sheet which going to update tomorrow. So you can access next month stocks also and we'll be getting a top 15 stocks, something like that which you can utilize. And a lot of stocks like a Titan, Voltas, sale that wasn't giving you such an opportunity. And last month the sale which is triggered around 2 days after. So let me go for a daily time frame. So here there is a trigger which is happening. So this is what one of the indicator. Just remove it. So almost how much percentage which increased compared to the last month? Almost 22% save. That was on our list. So I'm not talking about the stock which is triggers like Exide and Z Entertainment. So a lot of stocks given in the entry in the first week itself. And Tata Steel also triggered in the first week. And that was giving you such a good result. After the target, it may be came down. But from that list, we find SAIL, Voltas, Titan. That was giving you such a good movement. So I think Titan, that was in downside. So almost of 6% and comparing to the low is near about achieved my target monthly range and Voltas in a positive side, that is also giving you such a good result. Voltas, yeah, last month almost 33% and Exide it is moving more than Exide and National Aluminium, so both are giving you such a good result. So sorry, Exide Industries, that was giving you almost 55% which increased and we marked the level and that was giving you such a good result for our monthly positional. And this sheet also going to update it tomorrow. So you will be getting using that monthly opportunity, all the sheet and all the data where it is going to removed from this list and you will be getting a newer strike price and newer entry price and that would be remain same for next 1 month till 2nd of May until end of the May. Okay, so because 1st of May is an holiday, so we have taken some time to update the sheet. So no urgent. So we will be updating tomorrow morning. So you will be getting both monthly IV sheet as well as the Google sheet and both for a monthly position. Weekly already updated and as of now, so one stock which is triggered AU Bank yesterday and it went up to 57, now it is 46. It's based on weekly, so we have till Friday, so we have an opportunity. Maybe it came up and put side something like triggered Apollo Hospital yesterday, still it is on the same level and SGL, but Tata Motor is illiquid and also not moved it. It was a gap up. Some of the stocks which is in the list maybe a weekly positional which we can look for, and monthly. So this is the data. So almost 34 stocks which triggers our monthly positional system, but we are not looking for a 34-35 stocks, but put side almost 11 to 15 stocks which is triggered our target. So from that list we have to find some 3 to 4 stocks entire month. So how we can utilize and how we are using that advanced option strategy to find out a right trade opportunity on positional basis along with the hedging. Okay, so hedging means so we have to protect both the sides. If the market is down also we will be fixed at a loss, something like that hedging which we are doing on our strategy. So maybe next month so we will be getting updated on the sheet, and this is what a last month update. So we are finding a good opportunity, and based on this also we will be finding Z entertainment, and that was giving you such a good movement at the top one stock last month. Here Z entertainment 1 month. So I think how much it percentage it moved. So let me check Z 138, and it went up to 158. Yeah, that is what our expected level. So almost 159. So near about it moved, and then it finally closed with the lower. So almost 146, and it moved around 157. So meanwhile that triggers our target too. Okay, and based on this and some of the stocks based on the IV, that is a expected movement, that is also giving you such a good result. So Tata Chemical, UPL, and M&M Ambuja Cement, something like that which you have seen on TCS. TCS also moved, and then it bounces back, I think. Okay, that was giving you opportunity. Initially it moved up to 4060, and then it down by closed. But if you are doing an hedging, so we may be ignoring that. This is a monthly chart. So almost 1%, not a very big changes, but flat, but already it moved what we are expected. Okay, so like monthly sheet is going to update it, and based on intraday today morning lot of stocks, but evening around 3 o'clock after we got a lot of stocks in put side, but it is an intraday, so we are using only in the morning first 15 minutes. After first 15 minutes we are looking for. So these are all the screenshot which I have taken today around 9:34. So Bandhan Bank, City Union Bank, and then we have some stocks like HDFC. You can see HDFC, AMC, Crompton, Ashok Leyland, Indo Hotel, ACC, Indigo, Asian Paint, Bata, Bajaj, Finserv, Britannia. So here from this list, I am just looking for one or two opportunities in intraday also. It is works based on the Camarilla R4 breakout. The Camarilla R4 breakout is nothing about breakout level, which is any options chart itself. If the breaks on the R4 level or H4, whatever, H4 or R4 level, if any stocks which given you the breakout, so we are going to take, and maybe a R3 or pivot as a stop loss, we will look for a breakout opportunity. So this is what 9:30 I'm just taken out the screenshot. Okay, after that from this list I seen some of the stocks like a Crompton, Ashok Leyland, that was in the top today, and something like Indian Hotel. I think Indian Hotel is not in the list. Some of the stocks may give you such a good result. I think Crompton, HDFC, AMC also be there in the second place, and ACC, Indigo not triggered. City Union Bank 159, that is also be there in the list, but it was in the morning at the same level. But after that entry, it moves well and then returned back. So like how to use our Google Sheet, that link will be available in description of this video. You can go through it, and it is a free one. So you can access that, and if you want to access my Google Sheet for intraday, monthly and weekly position, you can also subscribe that Google Sheet to get a scanner for a stock option. And this monthly and weekly positional, it works based on our advanced option strategy concept. So if you want to use it, so you can apply your own strategies on the top listed stocks, and you can apply your whatever the strategy which you are using. But if you know our advanced option strategy, you can directly utilize your the stocks for our hedging strategies like 1.1, 2.2, 2.1, 3.2, whatever the strategies which you want, we can utilize it. So almost a good month for April also. We find out a lot of opportunities. And thank you so much. Thanks for being with me, and thank you so much for joining this session. And kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you so much.